I am with V. Amita from second MA English to deliver a speech.
Good afternoon. I am V. Amita from second MA English. Today I am going to talk about the importance of reading books. Importance of reading books. Reading books, daily reading books can develop a person not only in language but also it improves our knowledge. It is a good habit not only to the persons for all the human beings in the world. Reading books can develop our knowledge, our vocabulary and our skills. Mainly for the students in academic purpose, reading books can help to create their innovation and improve their skills and communicate very easily. In today's world, most of the students, more number of people were addicted in mobile phones. It can be reduced by reading the novels, short stories, and many other books. Reading books can help to develop our creative thinking for the article writing, for writing books or novels. Reading books can also improve our language. For example, our LSR, listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Reading books mainly focus on the grammar part, listening part, and making sentence and communicating with others. Reading books in leisure time can help us to the imagination world where we cannot even go in a real world. Reading books mainly helps in vocabulary, make a sentence. In today's generation, in many schools and colleges, newspapers are provided as a habit of reading the newspaper. Because when we read our newspaper, we can learn new things, new facts, and new history, which will improve or which will lead our future in a good way or successful way. Reading newspaper not only helps in our academic part, it also helps us to create more knowledge in general category, in general knowledge. Reading books makes our life better than we had